It took a long time, but here we are with a pile of Blusteel furnaces. So let's add some more up in here, you know. Just like filling in the gaps and stuff here. Oh, yeah. And we're also starting up with some hold on. Let me okay. Also some Darksteel furnaces here. The great pile of Darksteel and Blusteel furnaces. That's what we're gonna call this shit, bro. I got some friends here helping out and stuff. I'm eating some cinnamon toast crunch right now. It's really good. Let me take another bite. Okay. Yeah, so this is the great wall of, no, I mean, the great pile of, Blusteel and Darksteel furnaces. If you wanna do this stuff with me and stuff, I will leave my profile link of Roblox, in the description below, and, yeah, you can join me whenever you want, because I got always my joins on and stuff, so, if you want to do stuff like this with me, just, join up. Alright, guys, see you in the next video, which will probably be a guide on how to make, on how to get rebirths, so, keep, I'm saying, too many times, aren't I? Yeah, I should, fix that. Okay, guys, see you guys.